Welcome back to Pre-Algebra Chapter 10, Section 2 in this book. And we are talking about polygons and quadrilaterals. So what does poly mean? It's a girl's name, like Pollyanna. It also means many. So is she many Annas, Pollyanna? I don't know. I think she's just one, Pollyanna. So polygon is a shape that is closed. It has no curved lines, and none of those lines that it does have can cross over each other. So we're going to play a game. Is it a polygon? All right? So here's our first one. Is it a polygon? It's closed. It has no curved lines. None of the lines cross. Yes, it's a polygon. Yay! Is this a polygon? That plush shape on my ball of preschool shapes that I could have gotten that out for you to look at. Is it a polygon? It's closed. It has no open parts, no curved lines. Imagine if they're a little curved. Imagine they're straight. And no crossing over. So is it a polygon? Yes. How about that one? The slice of pizza. Pizza. No, it's not a polygon because of that curved line. You get eliminated. Voted off the island. Okay, how about this one? Is it a polygon? Yes. Straight lines, no curved lines, no crossing over. How about the Black Widow symbol? Is that a polygon? No, because of the crossover. Goodbye, Black Widow. It's supposed to be a movie. Didn't come out because of the COVID. How about this one? The wavy flag. Oh, say, can you see? Yeah, that's pretty singing. Is it a polygon? No. It's got curved lines. It might be a patriotic looking flag, but it is not, however, a polygon. How about that shape? Imagine it's a little straighter there. Yes, it's fine. How about that one? Oh, it kind of looks like the Riddler being all woo, crazy, sort of, or a maze. Is it a polygon? No, it's open here. Not a polygon. You're gone. How about that one? Yep, that one's fine, isn't it? Now, if a polygon has all of its sides and angles congruent, equal, the same, it is said to be regular. Not that it eats a lot of fiber, but nope, if all of its sides and angles are the same, it is regular. If all of its vertex, the vertex are the pointy parts, if all of the vertex poke out, like that one, then it is said to be convex. If any of them poke in, like this one, I think of it as caved in because they are concave. So let's say, is that one convex or concave? It is convex. They all poke out. How about that one? Convex. How about that one? Convex. Boy, I didn't do a good job of equal representation for the concave, because this one too is convex. Okay, if these are the same, this one would be regular. That one looks pretty regular, doesn't it? That one, does that one look regular? Nah, that one's not regular, because it'd have to be isosceles, and I don't think it's isosceles. How about that one? That one could be regular. If they're regular, you mark all the lines. Marking these lines means that these are the same. So I think that one might be regular too. And then you also mark the angles like this, and that means all the angles are the same. These look like right angles, so I think those are my regular ones. That one, this looks really long, so I don't think that one's regular. All right, here are some special kinds of polygons called quadrilaterals. Quad means four, just like how triangle means three, quad means four. So quadrilaterals are polygons with four sides. And we have some that are sort of famous. One is called a trapezoid. It sounds to me like you're swinging on the trapeze. Woo! So maybe these are your handles for your trapeze. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with four sides, and two of those sides are parallel. So these two are parallel. Remember, and how you mark it are those little triangles. Those two are not. Those are going to end up running into each other. If opposite sides are parallel, so each side is parallel to somebody else, it's called a parallelogram. That's when all four sides are in a parallel relationship. A rhombus is a parallelogram where all four sides have the same measurement. The angles don't matter, but if the sides are equal, it's a rhombus. I think of it as a diamond shape. A rectangle is a rectangle if all four corners are right angles. So it doesn't have anything to do with the sides, it's just the corners. And if all four corners are right angles, it's a rectangle. You're like, I've done this since I was 3. I don't know, but we're going over it anyway. And here's a very special shape, a rhombus rectangle. It is a rhombus because all four sides are the same. It is a rectangle because all four corners are right angles, known as the hyphenated everywhere rhombus rectangle, right? No, what do we really call it? It is a square. It is a square. So a square is a rectangle and a rhombus because it's got all four right angles and all four congruent sides. Now, let's classify these. I've got parallel sides and parallel sides. So what is it? It is a parallelogram. This one has all four right angles. So what is it? It's a rectangle. Is it also a square? No, because these are 8 and those are 6 in length. This is just a rectangle, where this is both a rhombus and a rectangle, also known as a square. All right, that's it for this section. Make sure you know your shapes. Then your book goes on with example 3. It goes too far. You don't have to know that. You just have to know this. All right, come back. Math is great.